Good morning everyone and welcome to Bruges. We're in Bruges for a day after Brussels. You saw the Brussels video last week. We're in Bruges today just to take a little day trip, see what we can see what photos we can get. So I'm taking you along with us as usual. We're just outside the train station. We've just come directly from Brussels. So yeah, let's see what we can find. Do a walk around, see what photos we can get. Sun's gleaming, it's about 30 degrees, so we're in for a good day. Lots of shadows, lots of harsh light. Let's do it. So we've walked over the Lovers Bridge and we're heading through the park towards the centre. And I'm just noticing little pockets of light and shape and shadow, trying to get people in it. There's a really cute little stone bridge over there that I'm trying to get someone on top of, but the sun is not on it, so I might need to come back later. I don't know though, maybe. What do you reckon? I think I need to come back later. I want to wait for someone. Again, here, it's just a lovely scene. If I can get someone walking in front of that green doorway, great. I'll take it empty as well, because like I say, it is a nice scene on its own. There we go. Where there are like buses around here. You wait for one and then two come along. It works, it's quite funny, but I don't think it'd be anything but a little thing to humour myself. Who knows? We'll see how it edits. A lot of people are walking in the shade here, but I've just captured that guy on the opposite side of the road on his own in the centre of the blue. Just his head in the light. It looks quite nice. I'm not gonna chimp on it too much, but there's a lot, because it's very old school buildings, there's a lot of cut in light and shadow, the brickwork giving some cool dimension to it. There's more horses. There's plenty of things to take photos of, that's for sure. Now, ideally I want someone in that light, but being able to get them closer and silhouette in their head might work, contrast. And I want someone on their own as well. We'll see what we can get. Try and get someone on their own on that bridge. When the sun comes out as well, it's quite nice. This is Boniface Bridge. It's quite pretty. Got little canals and streams running through. It's quite nice. There's a nice little light on the old houses over there as well, and the boats keep going past. So yeah, when the light's hitting it nice, it gives a proper fairy tale atmosphere. I've come lower because I'm always looking for alternate viewpoints, and that bridge looks great from underneath it. The boats keep going past me right here. You got a bit of texture and foreground element as well, which might be something. But at the minute, I'm basically a troll under the bridge, trying to take photos. So as you can see, there's a boat about to come under the bridge. We're at boat level. Yeah, this is the viewpoint that I've been trying to get at. Basically, camera on this bar pointing under the bridge to the corner where the wall and the bridge meet, capturing either someone walking in or out of the house, but even as an empty scene, it's pretty nice. Found a really nice street corner, and I like hanging around street corners, especially when they look like this. Red of the sign, red of the doors. If I can capture someone in red, perfect. So we've climbed a couple hundred steps to the top of this tower overlooking the Bellfry of Bruges. Now this is part of the Historium, so if you're ever here you can go into the Historium, walk around a museum, which I did. Always important to take your camera everywhere, because who knows, even in museums you can get some good photos. There's a bar on the second floor. We'll probably head down this and head to the bar. Yeah, lovely viewpoint. It's narrow, really narrow, so you can't exactly swing a cat up here, but nevertheless it's a great view of the square and the Belfry. So we're down from the Historium Tower. I had a couple of beers and now we are just going to spend the afternoon walking around chasing light. I've booked my train ticket back to Brussels. That's not until 11 o'clock this evening. So I might get a little canal tour going as well, see what we can see. Let's see what we can grab. I'll talk you through some more of the shots that I take. You'll see some more B-roll, you'll see some more photos. The sun's still beaming. I'll probably get some more beers. But let's continue walking and find some more shots. It will be a bit of a crop, but I was using the flowers as a bit of a foreground element You got the guy sitting in that window over there, getting all comfortable reading. I think that's quite a nice frame. The window's framing him perfectly, the light's hitting just half of him. The flags are blowing. I might have to crop in a little bit, but combination of elements there. One of the rare occasions of actually putting my camera away is when I want to fill up at these drinking fountains because they're so messy. And as much as the Leica's water resistant, I don't fancy it getting soaked when I don't need to. No, I mean, it just doesn't stop quick enough. But it's always good to stay hydrated, and this is something I didn't see during my time in Brussels, is free drinking water. So a plus for Bruges. There was no one there. I just like the scene, all the bikes, the light hitting the white building, the red contrast. It's quite nice. There's someone in the window. Oh, might need to wait here now for them to come out. I don't know if they will come out, but we'll have a look anyway. That bloke over there just said it's a fairy tale town. I tend to agree with him. It's very picturesque, that's for sure. Much more picturesque than Brussels. Golden hour, innit? Not much more I can say with that one. Good light. So we're going to end today here and this video. Thank you so much for watching. Got some good shots today. I haven't chimped too much, but the light's been good. Shadows have been great. It's been a good day. Next week's video will be Ghent, because we're going to Ghent soon. Yeah, other than that, I've got some more time here that I'm just going to spend with friends that live here. So yeah, that's it. You might see some more pictures, but I won't record anything more, because they're not photographer friends, so it's just going to be drinking, catching up, having fun. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the pictures as much as I enjoyed taking them. And I'll see you in next week's video in Ghent. Bye bye.